So well, I think this could be content in itself. I'm going from interior Lahore. This road goes to Daroga Wala. So I actually exited from this one Lahore Eastern interchange, and now it was better to go from within the city than to take a full detour from over and above the city to come back to Wabda town. So here we are, and this is Lahore at night. Look at that huge trailer, and it's still gonna take me some 37 minutes or something. Let's see how he wants to go, this trailer. Look at these stray dogs. And well, here we are. Let's hope this trailer could make out of it. Let's keep our car away from these steel carrying trailers. Lahore at night. My beautiful Lahore. My beautiful Lahore with traffic coming from the opposite side. But anyways, let's see how the video is. So yeah, that's good enough. So once this is Faisal Bank, I'm invested in Faisal Bank. It's one of my major stock holdings. And by the way, check out the horse. They are running the horse down the road. This is Band Road, and the locality, I'm not sure which locality this is, but this is Band Road, and we are gonna take the canal. This could be a separate video, like Lahore at 3 AM. And well, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, and it would be a great honor for me. And right now, I'm pretty sure you might not be able to see much of the road. Even for me, it's just the, like, because there aren't street lights. There are some lights from the other side, so that is not the issue though. We could drive in, alhamdulillah, zero visibility as well, because there was once a very severe fog and I drove from Lahore back, Faisalabad back to Lahore. So we are on the GT road. This is the GT road. You see this orange line metro train on top, this track over on the top you see. So this is Lahore. This is our home turf, guys. Didn't realize it's gonna be such long day with a drive ending in Lahore. So this is our beautiful home. I don't live here though, but I live on the other side of Lahore. But anyways, I have an affiliation with this, all of this place. On our right, we might have the Shalimar Garden as well. So let's see where the map is taking us. So this is gonna be the last video of this vlog. So right now I'm headed on the Canal Road. Actually, I got from inside the Old Lahore and all these Dharampura, Moghalpura and all that, coming on to the Canal Road, and now this will lead us straight to Thokar, and from there I'll go home. Actually, the battery of the Insta360 GO 3S, the camera itself, it died, so I had to put it back into the action pod, and in a few minutes it's just charged. It has charged it enough for me to record the final. I could record 16 minutes of it, but the thing is that I think it's already a lot, so we'll just record a little bit. So this is the scene of Lahore at 3 AM. Although on the side of the like the markets and all that, it was actually, there was still some hustle and bustle, quite late night hustle and bustle. But anyways, on Canal Road it's relatively calm. We can do the speed limit of 80, and check out the greenery. During the day it looks marvelous. It looks pleasing to the eye. It's captivating. Although there are a lot of surveillance cameras on the road, like the ones you see over there, one over there. So there's a lot of surveillance in Lahore, thankfully. So this one is the Canal Road one. So if you have to go to Kent, you go left. If you have to go to upper like the lower Mall, it's on this side. Check out what they made in the canal. The main feature of this road is the canal itself. You see these duck figures in the canal. Check out these little houses they made. Wonderful. Now this one underpass we have to go towards the left, or otherwise all of the ones are on the right on this side. Let's clear our screen as well. So this is the Jail Road underpass. Wonderful. At this time we also have the heavy traffic, so we have to be very mindful of that as well. Let's see how much we recorded. So we did give space to another car. There used to be a time when I used to go on all these roads on bikes, but alhamdulillah for everything, now we have a car that we are commuting on. We did the intercity commute, each and everything, alhamdulillah, on the car. And even that bike was from my father's money. Thank you, Dad. Oh goodness. He has his own car. Firozpur Road underpass. We are moving rather quickly. The average that this Honda Civic 2017 turbo is giving is 10 kilometers per liter. So this whole trip cost us like half a tank. We went to Shekhupura, we went to Gujranwala, took a very long route to come back home. Another Civic in black, not sure about the year though. How's your life going? I hope things are good on your side. I'll end the video over here, but it has been an absolute pleasure to have you watch the video till here. If you watch till here, you people are awesome. I love you all. I love you, absolutely adore you. You people give your time to watch these videos. So I'll be now signing off. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a very blessed day, night, noon or afternoon, whatever it is at your place. Look at these dangerous steel pipes coming out on these three-wheelers and the other heavy vehicle as well. But right now we just reached Punjab University, my alma mater. Anyways, this was supposed to be a goodbye. Goodbye everyone. Good night.